Welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and today in this video I will talk about Fiverr affiliates. But before starting the video, this video will become in 3 steps. Step number 1, I will talk about affiliate marketing, because you must know about affiliate marketing, the basic fundamentals. Number 2, I will discuss about Fiverr affiliates, and number 3, I will talk about methods, and I will show you everything on my screen. I will show you my earnings as well. If you are new, you must watch the Fiverr affiliates playlist to understand what is Fiverr affiliate is, because in my playlist I have discussed each and everything about Fiverr affiliates. In affiliate marketing, you don't need any investment or any inventory. What you will do, actually you will require some basic skills, like you will promote your affiliate links. Any person who click on your affiliate link and redirect to that particular page and buy some service, you will get commission. So simple. So you can apply these things for products or services. So affiliate marketing is so easy. First of all, keep in mind. Number 2, Fiverr affiliates. Many people are getting confused about Fiverr and Fiverr affiliates. Listen guys, Fiverr is a platform where people and freelancers give services, and Fiverr affiliates is the platform where people promote freelancers and earns commission. Which is better for you? That will be your choice. But here in this video, I will talk about Fiverr affiliates. Step number 3 is methods. I have discussed each and everything in my playlist, but here in this video, I will show you my earnings and methods as well. Okay, so I will give answer to people who ask me about money withdrawal about Fiverr affiliates. Many people earns from Fiverr affiliates. They are confused how to withdraw their money. So here the answer is, you can use PayPal, you can use Payoneer, and you can use your bank account to withdraw your money. Let's move to the screen. So I will show you what is actually affiliate marketing, Fiverr affiliates, and which methods you will use and earn money easily. So guys, first of all, quickly you will see over here that Fiverr affiliate, this is the website, and we will figure out the things over here you have to know, must know. So after that you will click over here on commission plan. If you are new, that's why I'm telling, but if you are in advanced mode, I will tell again that you can see over here Fiverr CPA 15 to 150 per CPA, means if you promote some gig to any other, you will get 15 to 150 dollar commission. Okay, a dynamic CPA depending on what service you your first buyer purchases. And Fiverr hybrid means $10 CPA plus 10% rev share, means a fixed CPA per first time purchase and rev share for 12 months for 1 year. Okay, so here I will scroll down and you can see Fiverr CPA commissions $150, Fiverr Pro $50. It depends on services and everything. So whenever you use this platform, you will gradually understand everything. $30, $20, $25. If you promote Fiverr Pro services, you will get $150 per sale. Okay, if any person buys services from your link for Fiverr Pro, you will get $150. Simple. So first of all, I will show you my earning, that you can see I have earned 274 in just 1 day. Okay, why? Because I have promoted Fiverr Pro services. But it doesn't mean that you have to promote just Fiverr Pro services. you have multiple options to promote any kind of service. So I will show you each and everything in this video. You will understand that how you can do this. Guys, here you can see the Fiverr platform where you can actually where freelancers actually give services. Let's suppose I will select some category over here. Let's suppose SEO. So I will click and you can see there are a lot of SEO people giving services. So there is no requirement that you have to be stick on the particular and single gig. Okay, so you can select multiple choices over here like graphic design, digital marketing, writing translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business. So there are a lot of category you can promote at the same time. Okay, so here you can see there are a lot of SEO people giving services. Make sure whenever you go to promote any freelancer, make sure check their ratings and reviews first of all, so it will give trust to other person that this person is expert in that particular field. Over here you can see I will build real organic traffic, SEO, contextual. I will click over here and then you can see ratings and level 2 seller, 6 orders in queue, and I think this person is good to promote. So whenever you promote some person, you will simply go to their URL, you will click there, and after that whenever you go for their URL, you will paste on your affiliate marketing, affiliate dashboard, you will change the link. Okay, so here first of all you will go to my YouTube channel Digital Helping, see there. So you will click over here, view playlist, and you can see a lot of videos appearing over here, right? So it will give you actually it will clear your mind about Fiverr affiliates. So make sure to subscribe this channel so you will understand that which type of videos I am making over here. So guys, after that you will select your gig and then you will click on the URL. Okay, click over here, copy from here, simply copy from here, go to your affiliate dashboard, simply go to your affiliate dashboard, and then you will change your URL. You will go to the marketing and tools, default and deep links, right? Click on LP URL, click over here, paste over here, then uncheck the link has been ready. You will copy the link. If any person click from this link, you will get commission after selling some service. Okay, that's so simple, so easy. So that's why I'm making this video. Keep in simple way so everyone should understand this, right? So we will move to the other method, how you can do this, how you can promote this, each and everything I will discuss. Go to the Google, simply write like this and simply, for example, I have selected SEO service, so write like this simply, and after that you can simply paste all over the paragraph from here, simple, very simple, and then copy the all paragraph, then go to the Google again. Okay, go to the Google again and write their email extractor. You can get any tool from free tool. Okay, click over here, simply click over here, and then you can check emailchecker.net. click over here, paste all your paragraph over here, and then click on extract email. You can see all email list in front of you within seconds simply, and then you will simply copy the all email list from here, and you can copy in on your notepad or any other place, simple, and then you will email them and tell them the problems of their particular website, and simple How you can do this? The template is over here. Subject: boost your online visibility with our SEO services. Dear client and website, you can put their client name and even on a website name. Are you looking to improve your online visibility, attract more customers to your business? Our SEO services can help you achieve your goals. Our team of experts will work with you to understand your business and its goals. So here are the template. You can see I have created. You will put your affiliate link over here simply, and if the person will click over the affiliate link and buy some services, you will get commission. So this is not a rocket science that how you can earn $200 or $300 per day. This is not a big deal if you do in the right way. So here in this video, I am not talking about landing pages, but landing pages is required. But for the email, we have already pasted affiliate link as a bridge page. So that's why we have no requirement for free landing page or bridge page in this particular method. So other method is, you can see over here that you can go for Google, then write, for example, I have written over here garment shops in New York, right? So after that, you can see the list of local businesses over here. You can click one by one and find their websites. If you didn't find their website, you can get their email address and tell them you have to be you should have website, or if they have website, you tell them your website has that particular problem. Okay, so we can resolve your problem. Click on this link, affiliate link. They will redirect to Fiverr freelancer, and whenever they order them, you will get commission. So affiliate marketing is so simple if you just know the basic fundamentals of affiliate marketing. So it will become easier for you to do affiliate marketing. The good thing is you will not require any investment or any hard skill. Thank you very much. Take care and goodbye.